You are on video!
Just for that clay.
Uh-oh. Ho!
Yeah, that'd be
Well,
good.
if you didn't hit it, you probably broke it through sheer force.
Yeah, the rest are for the target.